Hi, welcome to the Aero Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to reload your PT50 pneumatic staple gun. This tool was recently upgraded. If you have the original model, click the link in the description below to learn how to reload your tool. But if you have the new model, keep watching. Start by removing the hose from the air inlet fitting. Then press the magazine release lever and open the magazine. Then turn the tool upside down. Take a strip of T50 staples. With the staple legs facing up towards the ceiling, insert the staples into the magazine as shown. Next, close the magazine, making sure it locks in place. Reconnect the air supply hose. And now you're ready to get back to work. Thanks for stopping by the Aero Workshop. Be sure to tag Aero Fastener on social media. We'd love to see your next project.